Hello, my name is Sean Penfold, and this is my 305 Mechatronics final project. This is a CNC mill. I've always wanted one, and so I decided to create one for this class. In general, a CNC mill does not usually have a manual input like this joystick with an LCD display. Usually I would use this Arduino right here with this CNC shield. But for the purposes of this project, I'm using this Arduino along with these stepper drivers just down here. I have those are hooked up to my X and my Y axes. I'm also using this joystick, this LCD display, and then I have these limit switches to maximize out the distance that it can travel. So I will turn it on real quickly. So with the joystick, I can control the x-axis, and I can control the y-axis, and then I have the button that can reset the X and Y axis. So we'll show you on the screen what we see. So we have control the axes, and then I can reset them to a new position if I want.